Hey guys, welcome back to CountyLine TV. Don't forget to always wear your seatbelt when you drive, and don't drive distracted. That's my disclaimer for this video right now. Alright, in case I don't put the clip of me totally botching this intro, welcome back to CountyLine TV. We're here at the old Maynard's right now, and I got Justin with me. And we're here to pick up some like industrial style shelving or whatever to make a workbench and some storage for some of his stuff that's at the house right now, the old CountyLine headquarters, if you will. He basically rents a spot in the shop just by helping out so much. I might start charging him, what are those called? Consumables. Like consumables. Gloves and shop towels and stuff. We'll have to discuss that later. I just brought that idea up for the first time. But anyway, we're here to pick some stuff up, and I don't know if they'll let me film in there. If they will, I'll totally film in there. If not, rip, and I'll see you when we get out. Alright, we got the goods. I got yelled at over a mask and stuff. But anyway, we got the goods, so we'll see you back at the house, and we'll put everything together, get everything moved around. I have to move a sea of Kendas in order to get the Corvette out for that other video I was talking about. Alright guys, we're back to the house finally. We stopped and got some munchies on the way home. But here's what we got. We got some, which I didn't realize they sold, 2 foot by 8 foot sheets of OSB. And it's really convenient that they do because the shelves on this are 2 feet deep. And this is what it is. Some good sturdy metal shelving. But the shelves themselves are like wire. I don't know if there's a good image that shows the shelves too well. That one there maybe. Anyway, they're wire, so he wanted some wood, so the middle shelf or the bottom shelf, however he configures it, is his workbench area. Oh, look who came to visit. Bae! Bae! Come on, say something to me, honey. Bae! You nerd. You're so cute and fluffy in your winter fur. Oh, but wait, there's more. Ow, you bit my thumb, you dick. What's up, buddy? What's up? Don't eat my flannel. Some good goat ASMR for you guys. Oh, here comes Wade. Little guy. Quit eating my fingers, bro. Some alpaca ASMR. What's up, dude? You always stick your face towards the camera, don't you? Hey, no, that's my mask, dude. Give it back. Bro, give it back. He pulled my mask right out of my pocket. What's up, Albert? What's up, buddy? Hey, you don't eat my finger, you got teethers. Alright, that's enough ASMR for the day. Back to the topic at hand. I gotta put the camera down because this stuff's heavy and we gotta carry it in. Alright, we gotta put all these Kendas on those tire racks so that I can get this Corvette out that door, because those are in the way. And then I also got to move the welding stuff and the shelves and stuff we just bought and get all that out of the way. So we're gonna do that real quick. Would you look at that? They're all the way. We got some of them to fit on the tire rack and stuff, but a lot of them are just stacked up right there. But either way, that'll do. Now we just gotta move all this garbage out the way. Okay, I don't play video games like at all really, but I feel like, you know, back in the day I played like Skyrim a little bit whenever it was new, back in like 2000, I don't even know, 11 or something. 10, I don't know. But anyway, I feel like this is similar to that, because we're sitting here like, we gotta clear out the garage again. We cleaned it up, but like right now there's just some big items in the way, so it's not like we're going through a big super clean again. But it's like we're trying to like organize a little bit and get stuff out of the way, and then there's a side quest, and then there's another side quest, and life is just full of side quests. But here's another one. I got this diff stood up with the plug out of it. And since I was getting ready to move this table, but I already had the plug out of this just chilling here, waiting to get gear oil in it, I might as well just do that so that I can lay it back down wherever I put it. Anyway, that's my next side quest. I'm gonna fill that up with some gear oil and then get it out of the way. Just part of the, it was just a funny topic. Figured I'd bring it up. Whatever. All right, things are progressing okay. We got all this area over here cleaned out. That's where we're gonna put Justin's shelves, right in there. So we very quickly realized that this is actually pretty cool because the ends come completely assembled and they're like welded together and stuff. So that's really neat. And then the ends just like slide into these slots. And then we also realized that if you bought another kit, then you could actually, instead of putting them next to each other, you could link them together because there's slots on both sides and you only use half. So you could like have shelves all next to each other and stuff. And also, if you just leave this wire rack out, you could use these as tire racks too. So I don't know, just lots of cool stuff about these. I really like them. Not sponsored or anything, just a cool product. But since you saw us put the first shelf together, the braces with the bolts and these just slide in and stuff, then I'm not going to bore you with the rest of it. We're just going to go ahead and put the other two shelves on. Maybe, perfect opportunity. Another
girl. Hello.
And she's done. Hey guys, it's been like probably 13 or 14 hours since I talked to the camera. I went to work, but I'm like super behind right now because a couple of things happened where I took a couple of full days off of doing like filming and editing everything. So I'm just behind. So I gotta film something and get it edited and put it up today. So like we are doing on time vlogs right now. But regardless, it's weird too because I'm also trying to film 2 videos at once right now, this is the first time I think I've done that. So it's weird. Like I was filming some of this like storage stuff and like shop organization stuff, but at the same time I'm filming getting the drift car, or I guess it's a drift car, my Corvette, ready for a video that I'm gonna post as well. But like I also gotta film that video while I'm filming this video, but I can't talk about that video yet because it's gotta come out. Except maybe it'll come out before this video. Maybe this video comes out first. I don't know. I don't know how any of this works. I gotta figure it out. But anyway, we're gonna get this car ready for that video. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is actually, because of the whole like tariff, panic buy, stock running out situation, we're gonna take some of these good brand new 265 Kendas and we're gonna take them off the wheels and we're gonna grab some of these old junkers that I got dumpster diving at the local tire shops. I don't know which ones exactly yet, but I'm gonna slap some of those on these wheels and put on the Corvette. That way I can toast this Burnout. And well, that's all going on the blooper reel. Enjoy us changing out these tires and stuff and getting the Corvette ready to go do a Burnout in the morning. And now, cue the montage. This thing looks funny on those. I have actually never seen this car on stock wheels, and it looks funny. I don't know how I feel about that. Especially with them wide joints in the front because of the angle kit and stuff. Dang. That's a funny looking car. Well, hope you enjoyed the montage, some filming from my lovely assistant Justin. I think that's going to be it for this video. Catch us on the next one. The next one is going to be the exciting one. So stay tuned for that. It's not really a vlog. It's not a vlog. But anyway, hopefully we'll see you on that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with all your friends. Normally, this is something that you guys would just miss out on, but I decided to come inside and film my TV so that you guys could enjoy it with me. So here we go. All because I wanted to save the little tiny legs at the very bottom of my tripod, and I didn't want it to smack this G37 over here. And then look at this. Crazy. I don't know if you can tell, but I broke my freaking crock, and it took me like 30 minutes to put my crock back together.
And